What's up, traders? Welcome back to Chiang. I hope everything is fine. The sound should be good. I'm just gonna test this and make sure everything is fine. We'll get started in just a minute or two. I just want to check that you guys are joining me live, and then we'll wait for a few people to come in. I want to go through the chart today once again, as every Monday. It's time to kind of go back and review the chart. Philip is here. What's up, Philip? Let me know if the sound is fine. If not, we'll kind of correct this, but it should be fine. So sometimes I sound like it can because it's not plugged properly, but there's no way for me to know. So I would appreciate it. Sound is good. Let's see. I guess I'm gonna go right away. Yeah, I'm plugged properly. So today I'm in Chiang Mai. I want to share with you some reviews of the chart. I'll go through some pairs, and it didn't change much from last week. It's pretty much the same thing. Although we have a lot of pairs that measure levels right now, so I'll share my screen, and you guys will be able to see. And if you have any questions anytime, just comment below in the chat, and just let me know. We'll get you a question after. I just want to go through the chart first because it's gonna be easier to manage. Here we go. We're fine. Cool. So first things first, AUD CAD. This is a pair that's been at the major level for some time at 0.94. I'm looking to buy on this pair at this level on the weekly chart because it's pretty massive. And I'm looking for the Bollinger Band setup on the, of course, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart as always. If you want to know what setup I trade, I'll put the link below. It's going to be the second link on the strategy I have, what I trade. It's a free course you can take and learn everything about what I trade. Okay, so pretty simple. Still waiting on this pair. LDGPY is between two zones. Why did I flag this one? Yeah, I didn't want to flag that. That's the wrong one. So between two zones. AUD, this is the one. So it's coming back to 1.04. It's been there for some time. I'm looking to buy here. Although if we go below this low here, then we won't look to buy. Then it's gonna be the opposite. We'll look to sell. Okay, because it's like the opposite zone. So I'm still gonna wait on this. I'm gonna try to buy if I have my setup on the Bollinger Band with the 4 hour chart, 1 hour chart. And so that's gonna be simple. AUD is coming back to 0.70, a round number where you want to buy this pair, in my opinion. Can only show what I do myself. And yeah, you want to wait for your setups. Now we are at the upper band of the Bollinger Band on both time frame. I want to see price at the lower band. So it's gonna take some time, but you could look to buy on this pair, in my opinion. Okay, based on this zone where we bounced a few times in the past, back in 2015, but it's still reliable in 16. Okay, so that's it for this pair. CAD CHF, we're not going to trade that between two zones. This is like what you don't want to trade, like when it's between two zones. Although one of my students is trading it right now, he said this could be a resistance area as well. I agree. If you want to trade that, it's fine. But for me, it's kind of between two zones, so less reliable. Okay, this is how you differentiate more reliable trades versus the less reliable trades overall. Okay. EuroCAD is too messy to trade right now, in my opinion. I mean Euro AUD. EuroCAD is better, so going back here to retest this level. So this is 1.50, a round number, and this is where you want to buy, in my opinion. Okay, we have no setup so far. There was very few setup these past like 2 weeks in the market for some reason, and that's fine. It happens. You just have to wait, and that's why it helps to have multiple strategies to trade in the market. I only have like pretty much one big one, but if you have multiple, it's gonna be easier for you as well. Okay, so still waiting on this to buy at 1.50. Euro JP is coming back to 0.87. 87. This one is a pair that we said if it's gonna break down below this point at the line, then we want to look for the opposite trade, so bearish trades. So what happened? This is cool. So what happens the past week is that we broke below. In fact, we went below this low, but we came back above. Okay, and that's a clear sign, in my opinion, of like kind of a false breakout. Like you break and you come back to do a reversal. So if you come back within this range over here above where we bounced in the past, that's a sign you want to look for reversal trades to the upside. So you wait for price to hit the low band of the Bollinger Band, give you a nice setup, and then you would buy on this, in my opinion. Okay, that's what I would look for right now. So finish with the bearish setup, like if waiting for the retracement, then a bearish trade like this. Now we I believe want to look for something more like a reversal like this, okay, to the upside. So that's kind of what I would look for. And again, if you have a different opinion, comment below in the chat. Let me know. This is live, so you can comment there, and that's gonna be better, of course. Okay. Your USD is a pair where you would really like if you are going straight breakdowns or breakout, because we are reaching right now the lower of this range over here at 1.27. Okay, that's what you want to look for. 1.13, let's say 1.12, 1.13, 1.12, yeah. And that's what you want to look for, either a breakout or a reversal of that range. So you would either wait for price to break down of this range, sell on that, or wait for price to pull back up, gives you a nice setup on the Bollinger Band, and then look for your trade to the upside. Okay, up to you. I'm more like a reversal trader, so I'm not gonna trade that. That breakdown, but that reversal, yes, if it happens, because I see now there's more momentum. See this big candle over here? This is the past week, and basically we didn't have this before. The past few weeks before were pretty bad, pretty like low range. Okay, so that's kind of a change. So I like that. GP CAD is going back to retest a resistance area here at 1.78. Yeah, 1.78. That's when you want to look for bearish setup on this pair. I believe it's not quite there yet, but when it gets closer to the level, you want to look for your bearish trades with the Bollinger Band in my case. So you wait for price to hit the upper band of the Bollinger Band and do a nice engulfing candle at the same time. Okay. And again, you can learn all of this in my course, link below, the second link. Or the first one, I'm not sure. There might be only one. So yeah, there's only one link, I think. Okay, JPCHF. This is a pair we said that was coming back. So broke above this range over here at 1.30, a round number. Came back to retest, did a pullback. That's what you want to look for, of course, after a break, if you trade reversals like I do. And then you will buy here on a pullback. Okay, now price has to do a setup with the Bollinger Band. It didn't do it yet, so we'll have price kind of going around here the lower band of the Bollinger Band, but doing nothing. So you want to have it set up there, and then look for a bullish trade on this pair. Okay, it's not there yet, but you want to look for this carefully, because it did the nice pullback we're waiting for the past week. We said if price pulls back to the level, you want to look for the bullish trade on the kind of pullback trade. Okay. But it's going to be a reversal on the lower time frame. So GPGPY is doing nothing off the level. GP and ZD, same thing. GPUSD is also doing did a break of the range, although not a real break. So we didn't really break beyond that. We didn't really close beyond that. So you still want to look for the reversal on this pair. Okay, reversal to the downside. So bearish trade on this, and we'll see if it happens. So far we had nothing on this pair for a long time. But could be a good place to look for bearish trades, in my opinion. Okay, because we bounced there many times in the past. So over here, back here, 2017, 17 again, 18, okay, and 19 here. So pretty good level. And the decant also at the resistance area at 0.92, where you want to look for bearish trades on this pair, I believe, and that's what I'll look for. Okay. So no setup so far on this pair. It's been very quiet. S&P 500, just a quick update on this. I don't trade this, but it now seems to form like lower highs. So sign of a change of trend, in my opinion. You could think different, but I'm just sharing what I think on this pair. Okay. Because basically, so we had this high over here, and then this seems to be a high. We're not sure yet, but it could be a high. And that means that we make lower highs than before. Okay. USD CAD is too tight to trade right now. I'm gonna wait and skip on this pair. USDGPY, you could look for bearish trade at this level here, where we bounced many times in the past, and intermediary zones between two levels, so less reliable. But still, you could look at trading that if you want. Okay. And I think we reached the end. USD SJD is not there yet, but close to a support area at 1.34. We've been waiting for this for a long time, and if you want to trade this, perfect place. Just wait a little bit for price to reach the support here, and that's going to be better to trade. Okay. So guys, we went very fast to these pairs because it didn't change more from last week. pretty much the same thing as the couple of weeks before. So comment below with your question if you want in the chat. I'll answer a few questions now. We'll look at this. If there's no question, I'm fine with this also. I'm just gonna go have dinner and stuff. But you let me know in the comment if you have any question on this. And I'll stay like a few more minutes around to answer your question. Okay. So I see we have Rav, Philip, what's up? Mr. Cola, nice. Idrish, awesome. Trade Jason, thank you. Love your work, sis. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Hi, Sean, what's up? We have a couple of nice videos coming up this week. I'm super excited about this. It's gonna be awesome. And yeah, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited for this. We try to have one every single day for this week. So make sure you subscribe on this channel to get all of them. And click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all the future videos I do. That will be awesome. Yeah. Mr. Cola says, where is the course after we sign up? You just have to log in on the disaster.com site. Log in there, go to the member dashboard. It's going to appear with a button there. You can click and you'll be able to access the course right there, okay, on the dashboard. So pretty simple. And it's a course we make exclusive, so people cannot like access it anywhere because it's like content that's valuable. So yeah, you just have to log in, and you'll get to you log in by email, I believe. Okay, this is more secure. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I think I'll finish it here because there's no question, which is totally fine. I accept that. Comment below with your thoughts as always. If you have any question after the video is done live, just comment below. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll be happy to answer your question as always. And I'll catch you back here for another video tomorrow. Let's see. You have any subscribers from Adelaide, Australia? I'm not sure. We'll have to check. Trade Jason, post in the Facebook group we have, and you'll maybe be able to find people. So that's it, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you back here tomorrow. All right. Ciao.